Set the pace. BMWs with operating system 8 maintain your set speed and intelligently regulate your distance to vehicles ahead, thanks to Driving Assistant Professional, assisted driving and the distance control with Stop&Go function. Manage assisted driving and the distance control with the switches on the left of your steering wheel. Press the on-off button to turn the last active assistance system on, and push mode until the symbols for distance control or assisted driving are displayed in the instrument cluster. Press Set to take over the currently detected speed limit or to save your current speed if no speed limit is detected. The set speed is marked in the speedometer. When the road ahead is clear, the system accelerates or brakes automatically to maintain the set speed. If there is a vehicle driving in front, the system adapts your speed to maintain the set distance. Assisted driving also helps to keep your BMW in lane with supporting steering wheel movements. Press the -+ button to adjust the set speed manually. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.